How to disable sound effect in Avakin Live. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily play Avakin Live without any sound effect. First of all, launch open Avakin Live game on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Once you're inside the main lobby screen, go ahead and tap on Settings at the top right corner. From the Settings menu, tap on the speaker icon on the left and you'll see this audio option displayed on the page. You'll see options such as music, streaming music, SFX, ambient, new chat message on the page. If you want to turn off the music in the game, simply toggle off the switch right next to music option and make sure that it turns gray. After disabling these two options, you'll not hear any music or streaming music in the game. Similarly, you can also switch on or off SFX, ambient option, and then the news chat message alert sound as well. Simply go ahead and switch on or off from this menu and you'll be able to switch on and off all the audio settings from the game. You can always change your mind and come back to this menu to turn on any of these music options. And from here, you can easily disable or enable sound option in Avakin Live. Now you can play quietly, listen to music on other devices, or enjoy a distraction-free experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.